You don't have a bad strategy, you have a bad habit. Overtrading. Most traders don't lose because of one big mistake. They lose because they can't stop. You tell yourself, just one more trade. This one will recover the loss. The setup looks clean. But deep down, it's not strategy, it's emotion. Overtrading is not about opportunity. It's about discomfort. You feel uncomfortable after a loss. You feel uncomfortable when price moves without you. You feel uncomfortable sitting still. So you trade. Not because you should, but because you can't sit in silence. Trading triggers dopamine. Every entry feels like potential. Every candle feels like action. Every notification feels like importance. But the market doesn't reward excitement. It rewards patience. Professionals wait. Amateurs click. You think more trades, years more profit, but more trades usually use more mistakes. There are three main reasons traders overtrade. 1. Fear of missing out, FOMO. 2. Revenge after a loss. 3. Boredom.
Look at that move. You missed it.
You need to recover.
You're not doing enough.
The professional mindset says, if it's not my setup, it's not my trade. If you want to kill overtrading, adopt this rule. 1 high-quality trade per day. That's it. 1 setup. 1 execution. 1 result. If you win, stop. If you lose, stop. You are not paid for activity. You are paid for accuracy. The more you reduce trades, the more your discipline increases. You must pre-plan. Entry, stop loss, take profit, lot size, before you enter. No impulse decisions, no mid-trade changes. If your stop loss hits, accept it. Close the laptop. Go outside. Let the market move without you. That's strength. Overtrading is ego disguised as ambition. You don't need more trades, you need more control. You don't need more signals, you need more discipline. The market doesn't care how active you are, it only rewards consistency.
If you've been overtrading, this isn't an attack, it's a wake-up call.
The trader who survives is not the fastest, it's the calmest. Slow down. Trade less. Think more. Master yourself. In the description, I've shared the tools and structure I use to avoid overtrading and stay disciplined. Like this video. Share it with a trader who can't stop clicking. Subscribe, because part 5 will expose something even deeper.